Hampton Roads has all the features of a desirable luxury home market. Beautiful waterways, oceanfront views, yet home prices on the highest end are still far below comparable properties elsewhere.
But some very expensive homes hit the market recently. Are they anomalies or the start of a trend? Kayla Gaskins caught up with local leaders in Hampton Roads real estate.
The most expensive home ever sold in Hampton Roads went for $4.9 million back in 2011. There are currently numerous listings well above that mark. So what does this mean? Well, we take a deep dive into the world of luxury real estate in Hampton Roads.
When driving around the North End or tucked away streets in Great Neck, you'll stumble across some impressive homes. The price tags are high, but not quite as high as you see for similar properties elsewhere.
This marketplace is unique. You would see luxury in other areas be very opulent. Luxury here is a style of living. It's oceanfront, it's golf course, it's riverfront, bayfront living.
Luxury homes in Hampton Roads typically fetch $1 to $3 million. This oceanfront beauty off of 47th Street, for example, can be yours for $4.6 million. In comparison, a vacant oceanfront lot in Palm Beach is listed for $21.9 million. We spoke with Cindy Hawks, chairman of the Hampton Roads Realtors Association, about the differences.
We don't have the industry to support those price ranges. We don't have the buyers in our market pool. Our average median sales price is $275,000.
The record sale for a home in Hampton Roads was $4.9 million back in 2011. Here are some of the highest priced properties on the market today. At 11.8, a listing on Compass Point in Great Neck, and this new construction near the Cavalier Golf Club for 8.9. Or for 5.9 million, there's a waterfront lot on the Lynn Haven River where you can build your dream home. The question is, will people pay? Here's Rolston Aldane with Berkshire Hathaway Town Realty.
It'll sell.
And why will it sell?
Because the market is that desirable.
Time will tell if these properties sell, but are these listings anomalies or the tip of a trend?
I think we're heading in the direction of seeing more properties priced within that range. Maybe not 12 million, but maybe higher than 3.
The local luxury market did get an unexpected boost this year.
We have seen over 200 houses sell over the $1 million mark in 2020 alone.
Turns out the pandemic was good for business.
It's helped the luxury real estate market.
In a time when people can work from anywhere, some are trading in the big city high-rise for a home office with a view like this, adding a boost to the luxury home market in areas like Hampton Roads. But there's another factor at play here. Aldane points out recent economic uncertainty makes stable investments more desirable.
There's a lot of folks who've been, uncertain about the stock market. Real estate has always been a safe investment, whether it's luxury or not.
Cindy Hawk says if the high-priced homes on the market now sell for at or close to list price, it'll be a boost for everyone.
I like to stay optimistic and say, I hope it sells close to list price, because that would definitely start a trend for our area. It would put us on the map a little bit more.
Virginia Beach homes won't sell at Palm Beach prices anytime soon, but perhaps we're inching closer. $1 million home by $1 million home.
Berkshire Hathaway Town Realty, who we spoke with for this report, handles half of all sales over the $2 million mark for this region. They have their luxury home magazine for the area if you would like to see some more of these impressive properties. I'm Kayla Gaskins, 10 on your side.